Here she comes. Miss America. Our next elite dog. It's right there. Are you going from that side?
I just want her to
okay.
Get in it. She's never seen this before.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, for shit's sake. We have a yes man. I don't care. Yay. So open it and let her have the treats that are actually in there so she sees the odor and smells the odor and gets huge.
How the hell did she know what to do?
Because she's a fucking German Shepherd.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
And with those two,
right. So throw it right in the box. Remember the old school days? I have to remind my when I was training Roomer, I was like, oh my god, I gotta throw it in. Box.
Wait for her to look at me and then look down again.
If she stays on the odor, I wouldn't even wait for a look. If she stays there, that's even better than the look.
Yeah, but she's gotten already good enough that see she'll go back down.
Yep. You want me to move it to another spot?
She'll look up at me.
You ready? Play the game with her too, with her kibble, which I did with Rumi early on. Put the bowl between your feet with odor in it, not the dog bowl, a bowl, and drop kibble in it whenever they stay, whenever they stay. By spring, she'll be ready for ORT. Oh, shit! It's fabulous. It does have food in it.
She doesn't even need it.
It's just be easy. Give her the easy peasy, man.
Want to see what's in there? You want to see how smart you are?
Yeah.
Little bugger. How hungry it helps to be really hungry.
Yep. I don't feed my guys. I feed them little teeny handfuls each time we go back to the car.
Good job, kid.
Nice
Very
job.
nice. Yeah, I know that was fun. Come on. Very nice, kid.
Both have marks on them. You'll see. I didn't raise the lid.
That's okay. Not them boxes and cages.
There's one right there. Yep. And I did not pair them, so she doesn't get that anymore. No. Oh, that's perfect. Look at her stay right on the box. Good girl. Good girl.
Store. Yeah, there's your buddies. We're doing containers.
We're not doing buddies right now. We're doing containers. Yep. She didn't even care about the others. Nope. Nice job. What a good girl.
Alert.
Yeah. Alert. Good girl. Okay. That was your search. Do you want to do the there's one suspended.
She might go out.
Side.
Okay, ooh. Okay.
It's
ready?
not that hot. It's not like what we did. But it's still suspended. There are 3. And it's not on the house beyond the corner there. So do not go past the corner. You're probably going to see him when you get close. DQ out.
In all fairness, I didn't let her pee when she arrived.
True. So
Did
that's
you-
why I'm not DQing you.
Did you tell her, Zook? Oh, okay.
Yes, that would not happen at a trial because she would have peed before. Yeah. So a space like this would probably be about 3.5 to 4 minutes. There's nothing on the deck.
Okay.
Just so you know. You can let her search it because it's not far away from the deck. She's probably on odor up there. She's on odor. Do you see it?
I see it now.
Okay.
Honey, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, yeah, that's hard. Look,
Is
she's
that
getting
too
there.
high?
No, it's good for her. If she gets close, I'll reward her.
She's close.
You know, if she gets
Yep. If she even looks at it, give it to her.
absolutely.
Yep.
She's
on
getting
it.
there.
Yep.
It's here. I'm gonna give it.
Yeah.
That's good. You are so close, kid. Yeah, good
Yep,
girl.
there she goes.
Look around. It's sweet. Remember those kind of things? Yeah, we've done that like once. Can you get your nose on it?
Nice. That's good. I'd give her that one.
Here. Carmen. Yay! Good
She's
girl.
just backwards. She knows where it
girl.
is.
Good girl, yeah. Okay, Kazook. Come on, Zook.
That's $150 shit right there. Oh. Ricky is standing on my window ledge in my office. Do you want to film that? Look at her. See her vest? That's it right there. She's got it.
Oh, no, I missed it.
Sorry.
Gee,
Sorry.
Meg.
Sorry.
Good job. Okay, the other one's on the fence there, right?
Yep.
Okay. Kazook. Yeah, we know that one. I'm gonna put you on mute. Thanks. I don't want you to go back to the same one. Kazook. Come on. See if she catches something. She's gone past it like 3 times.
Mm-hmm.
She really has trouble with fences. I don't know what it is.
They're hard.
They're hard. The odor doesn't stay on the fence.
Yep. You got it, little shit. Oh yeah, good girl. You little shit, you had it the whole time. She's like, they're squirrels. They're squirrels.
Squirrels and their deer poop too, Mom.
Yeah, lots of good stuff.